if the point 3, 4 means P is a point lies on the graph of the equation. Find the value of this. So just remember one thing. If there is a line, any line which is made by joining any two points, so that this is a line, suppose, and the equation is whatever it is, its equation is there. But if the point P lies on this, here it is given that this is the point which lies on this line, and its equation is 3y is equals to ax plus 7. So remember always, whenever any point lies on the equation, it will satisfy that point. Means we can replace x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 in this equation, because this point will ever satisfy this equation, always satisfies this equation. Okay, so those therefore, so we can write, since P, the point whose coordinates are 3, 4, lies on equation number 1. Therefore, we can put x is equal to y is equal to 4. First equation, first coordinate is always x, so x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4, x is equal to, substitute 3 plus 7. 3 4 is 12, this 7 will come left side, we get 3a is equal to, you can write 3a left side, 3a is equal to 5, correct? 3a is equal to 5, so therefore a is equal to 5 by 3 is your answer. So whenever any point is lying on any line, you can substitute the point in that equation. Okay. The taxi fare is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is 8 rupees, and for the subsequent distance, it is 5 rupees per kilometer. First kilometer, you have to pay 8 rupees, and after that, every kilometer, you have to pay 5 rupees per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare that after taking the ride of x kilometer you have to pay, that is rupees y. To write a linear equation and draw its graph also. So first we have to write the equation. So here we have given the total distance. Here total distance is x kilometer, correct? It is given in the question, x kilometers. And total taxi fare is also given us. Total taxi fare is given as y kilometers, y rupees, sorry, rupees y. Okay. So remaining distance, if you are riding, suppose x kilometers, so you have to pay 8 rupees for the first kilometer. Fare for the first kilometer is 8 rupees. So fare for the first kilometer is rupees 8, and remaining distance is how much? Fare for the remaining kilometers. The remaining kilometer will be x minus 1. So fare for the remaining, because the rate is different for first kilometer and remaining kilometers. for the remaining distance or remaining kilometers. For remaining how many remaining kilometers are left? X minus 1. 1 kilometer you have to pay, then rest of the kilometers, that means x minus 1, you have to pay at the rate of 5 rupees per kilometer. So this will become 5x minus 5. Okay. So total taxi fare is 8 rupees plus this one. First kilometer 8 and rest of the kilometers is this one. So therefore you will have the total taxi fare will be equal to 8 rupees plus 5x minus 5. That is equal to 5x 8 minus 5 3. 5x plus 3. This is the total taxi fare. And how much is the total taxi fare given us? Y. So this will be equal to y according to given condition. Therefore, according to given condition, y is equal to 5x plus 3. This is the equation that we have to find out. 5x plus 3 is equal to 4. Now draw its graph. So 5x plus 3 is equal to y. So we can write 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Its graph we have to find out. So we can take some values to draw the graph. So x, we are taking x is equal to 0. Then y is equal to minus y. Minus y is equal to plus 3. So minus 3 minus y is equal to minus 3. According to given condition, AGC means I am using the short form. According to given condition, AGC means. So y is equal to 3. So we got the first point. You can say this point as A because it will help you in drawing the graph. So first point you got 0, 3. Right, 0, 0, 3. 0 and 3. Okay. Now you have to take x is equal to, you can take any value x is equal to, if you take minus 1, substitute minus 1. So 5 into minus 1, this is our first point. Second point, that x is equal to minus 1 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So minus 5 and minus 5 plus 3 minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. So minus 2 minus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 2. So another point that you got is minus 1 and minus 2. Actually, you need to bring 3 points. You need to bring 3 points. So the third point also, third point 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to, if we take minus 2, so this will become 5 into minus 2 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 5 to the 10 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So 7 will come this side. Y is equal to minus 7. So another point you got minus 2 and minus 7. So we got 3 points. We have 3 points. To draw the graph A, point A, that we got 0, 3. Point B was minus 1, minus 2. And point C is minus 2 and minus 7. Okay. Now you have to draw the graph. So draw straight line, x-axis, y-axis. Or as we have negative value, so we will take like this. Just at the middle, you can take x and y-axis. This is your x-axis, and this is your y-axis. Correct. So here you will write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. So just small cut is also required like this, but you have to do. I am not doing it. Just like this everywhere. We should put here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So first point is A0. X is equal to 0. This is 0. And y is equal to this is 0. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3 is this point. This is the point which is representing on y-axis. This is A point 0, 3. If coordinate 0, the point will be on y-axis. Second point is -1, -2. X is equal to -1 and y is equal to -2. So x-axis is -1, y-axis -2. They will meet at this point. So this point will represent P point. Coordinates are -1 and -2. Third point is -2, -7. Then -2 and -7 is here. This point C, -2 and -7. Okay. Now you have to join these 3 points to get the graph of line. So you can do like you join it. The whole graph you have to draw the line. Can extend below also. This is your graph. Your graph. So here you should write the equation of the graph, or this is your equation is 5x minus y. Anywhere on the line you should write the equation like this: 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, got it?